Just enjoying my cup of coffee with the moose right near our campsite. Alright guys, good morning. We are on a different adventure. Our friend Jarrell was up in the Green River and left his GoPro there, so we are on retriever mode. So we're just gonna do a little bit of off-roading today, not too much hiking. Got my coffee and my donut ready. Try and get this guy's GoPro and all the footage. It's gonna be a fun adventure. At the trailhead, so we're gonna try and do the lakeside a little bit, or maybe the right side. It connects to the two lakes back there, but that's so cool. Mountaintop, it's right there. So he lost the GoPro somewhere at the end, so we'll just have to hike all the way to get to it. But man, what a view! What a view! Supposedly there's a moose ahead. One of the hiker told us in the pond. This could probably be like what, the 10th moose we've seen? Bull moose. So we'll see. Get some good photos. Maybe get some dinner with him. We're still looking for the moose. It's supposed to be in this swampy area. We'll see. It's like it's supposed to be a bull moose, so that's cool. Man, what a beautiful hike. I don't know if pick up on camera, but that's a bunch of salmon. That's so cool to see. I mean, they're just supposedly going upstream to spawn. But what a beautiful sight. My first time seeing salmon like in a natural habitat. Not sure what kind of salmon they are, but it looked like goldfish almost. It's crazy. I'm by myself right now. The guys are going retrieving the GoPro. Hopefully I don't see any bear, but it's so cool. He tested. Oh. Dude. Yeah, he keeps teasing him. They keep going in on the side, but setting the hook is proving problematic. Oh, wow. Oh. So close. Nope. All right, man.
Oh, look at those teeth.
Oh, so beautiful.
Go. Hey, Scott. Can you go grab my camera?
All right, first salmon. Look at this guy. It's beautiful. Okay, he just gets his gills in the water.
Color.
Yeah, that's cool. 1.5 foot, I think.
I'd say it's solid 15 inches.
Yeah, he's a smaller one for sure compared to the one. Yeah, buddy.
So cool, man.
I can die happy. That is, dude, good job,
Bro.
He's healthy. He's strong. We're just in the middle of this valley. That's so beautiful. Just trekking along. We saw some moose dropping. We didn't see that moose that people were saying. Maybe we didn't go off course because he was in a couple of the ponds. But we can see why he'll be here. The sea dropping though. Man, what a cool adventure to catch that salmon. I spent like an hour, or easily an hour and a half. Got a bunch of bites, but couldn't land it. I was hooking. It seemed like they're biting, but they're not eating. So they're just testing it out. So supposedly they just bite just to be aggressive with it, whatever's in the area. But they did not bite it to eat it, so it's hard to hook them. But be able to hook that one. Man, what an experience. Whew, I still have halfway back to our car. What a cool adventure. Whew. All right, let's get going. That is pretty wild. They kind of look like half dome and L cap. L cap, obviously switch El Capo on the left, half dome to the right. This one is opposite. Well, actually, it is, but El Capo on the front, half dome in the back. I'm tired. I don't know what I'm doing. It's just so cool to see that, though. And we're back. Oh God, tired. Alright, dinner started. A sausage, broccoli, some pasta. What sauce are we having?
It's already cooked, but I'm just browning it, so whenever you want it.
It's not the tomato sauce, right? What is
No, it's Alfredo sauce.
Alfredo sauce. Next to a fire.
What are you guys averaging throughout the trip?
35. It went a little lower, like 30, and then it went back up to 35. Okay.
Or like it has the